One company makes a machine. Without this machine, no advanced chip on Earth can be built. Not NVIDIA, not TSMC, not Apple, not a single AI accelerator. The company is Dutch. The machine costs $400 million, and they have 100% market share. This is ASML. ASML makes extreme ultraviolet lithography machines, EUV for short. These are the only machines on Earth capable of printing circuits on chips smaller than 7 nanometers. Every advanced AI chip, every high-bandwidth memory die, every cutting-edge processor. No other company makes them. Not Nikon, not Canon, not a single Chinese competitor. ASML has 100% market share in the technology that defines the entire semiconductor industry. Each machine costs between $200 and $400 million, ships in 40 separate containers, requires weeks of on-site assembly by ASML engineers, and ASML only produces about 40 units per year. That's it. That's the entire global supply. TSMC depends on them. Samsung depends on them. Intel depends on them. SK Hynix depends on them. If ASML stops shipping, the entire AI revolution stops within months. The financials are obscene. ASML posted full-year 2025 sales of 32.7 billion euros, up 15%. Net income hit 9.6 billion. Gross margins are 52%, the kind of profitability only monopolies can sustain. The 2026 guidance is 34 to 39 billion in sales. The order backlog is 38.8 billion euros, essentially a full year of revenue already locked in. And in March, SK Hynix placed the single largest order in ASML's entire history, $7.9 billion for dozens of EUV scanners to be delivered through 2027. That order alone is roughly a quarter of ASML's full-year revenue. Samsung is reportedly lining up a $4 billion order for their Pyeongtaek fab. ASML also announced a 12 billion euro share buyback through 2028 and raised its dividend 17%. Here's where it gets crazier. ASML is now shipping its next-generation machine, High-NA EUV. These cost over $400 million each. They enable even smaller chip features, and only ASML can build them. High-NA is the technology Intel is betting on to catch TSMC. It's what will enable chips smaller than 2 nanometers. It's what Terafab will eventually need to hit 2 nanometer process nodes. And ASML is the only supplier on the planet. The company's 2030 revenue target is between 44 and 60 billion euros. Goldman Sachs modeled a bull case of 70 billion. That's more than double current revenue, driven entirely by AI demand, pulling chip production forward. Now the risks. China accounted for about 36% of ASML sales in 2024. Export controls have cut off EUV shipments to China entirely, and China is now mandating 50% domestic equipment for new fabs. ASML's management expects 2026 China sales to decline significantly. Chinese engineers are reportedly reverse engineering ASML technology. Any breakthrough there is years away, but it's a long-term threat worth watching. And the stock isn't cheap. 46 times earnings. That's premium valuation. You're paying for the monopoly. So what's the chaos capital take? If you believe AI demand is structural, ASML is the single most important stock in the entire semiconductor supply chain. NVIDIA designs the chips. TSMC manufactures them. But ASML makes the machines that make it all possible. You can't build advanced silicon without them. This is the purest picks and shovels trade in the entire AI revolution. Everyone argues over which AI company wins. Nobody talks about the Dutch company whose machines make it all possible. That's the most chaos capital trade imaginable. The capital markets are chaos. Embrace it. And I'll see you in the next video.